Hey guys, today we will be showing you how to install our multiplexer box and additional cameras to transform your Thinkware Dash Cam into a 5-channel dash cam setup. This is Thinkware's Multiplexer Box. Thanks to the modular design of the multiplexer, the combination of side, interior, and rear view cameras can be paired together to the main forward-facing dash cam. We will also cover some things to be careful about while installing. Before we get started, you will need the following items: multiplexer box accessory, Thinkware front dash cam. The compatible dash cams are Thinkware F790, F200 Pro, and X700. In this video, we are using the F790 model. Exterior side view cameras, rear view camera, interior infrared camera, hardwiring cable with installation kit, glass cleaner, and microfiber cloth. Step 1. Hardwire the multiplexer box and the dash cam. First, locate the fuse box in your vehicle to hardwire the multiplexer box and the dash cam. The location of the fuse box will vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. For details to where to find your fuse box, refer to the instruction manual supplied with the vehicle. Connect the yellow cable of the multiplexer box to a constant power fuse slot to enable parking surveillance mode. If you do not wish to enable parking surveillance mode at all, then connect the yellow cable to an ACC fuse slot instead, and ground the black cable. Let's move on to our dashboard camera. To enable parking surveillance mode, we need to hardwire the dash cam as well. For this, connect the yellow wire of the hardwiring cable to a constant battery fuse slot, the red wire to an ACC fuse slot, and finally ground the black cable. For more details on how to hardwire the multiplexer box and dash cam, please watch our How to Hardwire a Dash Cam video in the link at the top right. Step 2. Connect the dash cam and additional cameras to the multiplexer. Let's start by connecting the side cameras to the multiplexer box. You will notice that we do not offer separate camera models for the left and the right side views. Instead, all exterior side view cameras record the left side view by default. We will show you how to change one of the side view cameras into a right side view camera later on in this video. The exterior side view cameras come with 2 cables: the side view camera cable, which has a small protruding white wire, and a connecting cable that will be used to connect the exterior side view camera to the multiplexer box. Connect one end of the connecting cable to the side view camera and the other end to the port marked Cam 1 on the multiplexer box. Repeat the same steps for the other side view camera and connect it to the port marked Cam 2. Similarly, connect the rear view camera and the interior infrared camera to the ports marked Cam 3 and Cam 4 on the multiplexer box. Next, let's connect the dash cam to the multiplexer box. Connect one side of the V-out cable to the multiplexer box at the port marked V-out, and connect the other side of the V-out cable to the rear view camera port on the dash cam. You will find a toggle switch located at the bottom of the multiplexer box, as you can see here. The toggle switch determines the number of recording channels that need to be merged together and sent to the dash cam for video storing. There will be a different toggle switch setting for each 2, 3, 4, or 5 channel setup. These settings can also be found on the bottom of the multiplexer box. For 5-channel recording, switch numbers 1 and 2 to off and numbers 3, 4, and 5 to on. Step 3. Check the video feed. To ensure that all cameras have been properly connected, we will power up the dash cam and check the live video. First, turn on the ignition and connect your smartphone to the dash cam Wi-Fi. If you're using it for the first time, format the inserted memory card. Don't forget to enable parking surveillance mode under dash cam settings and choose the mode that fits your recording needs. Once setup is complete, select Live View and check if you can see all channels. Examine the camera feeds 1, 2, 3, 4 clockwise starting from the top left. You'll notice in this video that channels 1 and 2 are captured by the exterior side view cameras, channel 3 is captured by the rear view camera, and channel 4 is captured by the interior infrared camera. You will find 2 different files in the video file list. One for the front view captured by the dash cam, and one for all additional cameras. That's because the recordings from the additional cameras are all merged and saved into one file to make video file management easy. Please note that your setup doesn't have to include these specific cameras. You can use any combination of Thinkware cameras that are compatible with the multiplexer box to meet your surveillance needs. For example, you could have 4 interior infrared cameras or 4 exterior infrared cameras. Additionally, the numbered ports are for indication purposes only and indicate the placement of the footage in the recorded video clip. For instance, instead of connecting to Cam 1 and Cam 2, which are shown in the top left and right-hand side corners, you could connect the cameras to Cam 3 and Cam 4 ports so that their footage is shown in the bottom right and left corners respectively. Step 4. Position and install additional cameras. Now that we've verified that all cameras have been properly connected to the multiplexer box, we can proceed with their installation. Let's install the exterior side view cameras first. As we explained earlier in this video, the side cameras are left view by default. To use as a right side view camera, you'll need to cut the white wire on the side camera cable as shown here. Make sure to cut the white wire of only the side view camera that will be installed on the right side. To ensure the best placement, position the side view cameras horizontally, with the lens facing the rear of the vehicle, and check the height and the angle on the live view. If you're satisfied with this viewing angle, clean the surface with glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth, and finish mounting the side cameras. Repeat the same steps to install the dash cam and other cameras. For more details on how to install your dash cam, please watch our How to Install a Dash Cam video link at the top right. Step 5. Conceal all visible cables. You're almost there. We're only left with the last step, concealing all the cables that are visible. Please note that we strongly recommend professional installation as concealing the cables requires carefully removing trim panels, headliners, and other components inside the car. The following steps to hide the cables are only suggestions and can vary from vehicle to vehicle and on the optional cameras that you choose to install. To conceal the exposed cables, you may tuck them inside the headliner as shown here. You can also remove the weather strip and tuck the wires inside. Another option is to remove some trim panels of the car and hide the cables inside. For more hints on how to conceal the cables, please check out our video, Top 5 Tips to Hide Dash Cam Cables. The link is at the top right corner. Wrap insulation tape around the cable connectors to prevent them from coming off. Make sure the cables are not loose or easy to pull out. You can use a cable to bind all the wires for a cleaner look. Ensure all the cables are connected to the multiplexer box. Turn on the power and test the video output once again on your smartphone. Adjust any camera angles if necessary. Check if the camera works well in parking surveillance mode if it is enabled. Once all checks are complete, tuck the multiplexer box under the driver's seat. Be careful the cables don't get entangled when you move the chair back. Your multiplexer box and cameras are now installed. If you have any questions about installing your up to 5-channel dash cam setup, give our customer support team a call or send them an email and they will be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching our video. For more Thinkware tutorials, unboxings, and details on our dash cam lineup, subscribe below.